Are you using Rosetta Stone to learn Japanese? If so, this is for you. Rosetta Stone is a great starting point, especially for visual learners. So what does Rosetta Stone do well? Konnichiwa, I'm Mineko Arai, a professional Japanese teacher, and I studied Applied Japanese Linguistics. If you want to speak confidently, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we'll keep improving together. Here are 4 features that help build basic habits. 1. Image-based learning. Matching an image and a script with audio is fun. 2. No need for translation. You learn with images by listening and reading phrases. 3. Listening and speaking. You repeat short phrases after a digital word. Pronunciation practice with speech recognition is helpful, although it doesn't teach you how to articulate. 4. Grammar and vocabulary. You learn common words and basic grammar through guessing and repetition. If you've used Rosetta Stone, great job! You've built a routine and learned basic grammar structure. But what's missing? Rosetta Stone is limited when it comes to real conversation. You repeat what audio say, like he or they, even I've never said like examples as a native, and lacks grammatical explanation. Adult learners can learn far better with a logical explanation. You repeat set phrases but struggle to express your real thought. You learn phrases but you often don't need to say them in your life. The boys are eating, a woman is running, and especially at the first ever Japanese lesson. Voices are robotic and lessons lack cultural nuance. It's important to understand the culture gap, why Japanese people say like this. To communicate naturally and interact smoothly with a native, you need more than repetition. You need real communication practice with cross-cultural understanding. Why is Master Speaking Japanese different? Master Speaking Japanese is designed to help you speak confidently, naturally, and personally, with the support of real native teachers. 1. Real-life lesson videos. These will help you learn in context with clear, useful scenarios. For example, Lesson 1. How to order your favorite food at a table. Lesson 2. How to take out your favorite drink. Lesson 3. How to ask about items that you really want to buy in a shop. You can understand how to act politely like a native speaker. You'll see authentic body language and tone. Each lesson includes 3 short videos up to the first 17 lessons and 4 videos afterwards, all about 5 minutes each. Watch it at your coffee break. 2. Personalized speaking practice. Repeat after natural human voice of native speakers. Practice conversations relevant to your own life. If you like Japanese curry, you can order it for practice. Question and answer format helps you think and respond naturally in real time. 3. Clear grammar and vocabulary. You'll understand grammar deeply with cultural context and nuance. Speak as yourself using vocabulary that matches your real-life needs. For example, if you like Japanese whiskey, you can ask for the whiskey section in a department store. 4. Human interaction. Learn from videos featuring native Japanese speakers, including me, your teacher. Receive expert tips and feedback to help you study smarter, not harder. Are you ready to speak Japanese for real? If you're serious about connecting with Japanese people and expressing yourself naturally, try Master Speaking Japanese. Get started with 7 free lesson videos and join live support sessions with me. Please sign up from www.araiacademy.com. The link is in the description box below. Let's take your Japanese to the next level together. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.